My veg head main course has to be something big and substantial. Pumpkin pie. But it's not what you expect. Between us veg heads, pumpkin cottage pie with pecans, lentils, peas, and carrots. Now I've got your attention. Every year, my wife makes me the best pumpkin pecan pie. And I eat it all. She barely touches it. She's not one for sweets. But savory pies, poo-hoo, she loves those. This one's for you, Tesoro. Time to make the brodo. Leeks, fennel, carrots. Think sweet, smoky onion broth with those poached cipollinis and little cheese-stuffed tortellini. Sun-dried tomatoes for a rich mouthfeel. Veg heads like me love new ingredients, like nutritional yeast. Not like the stuff to bake bread. It adds a real punch of flavor. Sweet roasted pumpkin. That's what my wife used to call me when we were dating. Time to make the meaty filling for my pumpkin cottage pie. Frying the tomato paste adds the yum factor to meaty vegetarian fillings. My pumpkin pie is also a pecan pie. Chewy lentils for protein. Veggie stock. Sage isn't just for turkey, my veg head friends. Watch this. my son Adam. He was born on December 23rd. We brought him home on Christmas morning and put him straight underneath the Christmas tree. My wife and I watched him for hours as he slept. Best Christmas present ever. Some final touches for my fun main course. Savory pumpkin and pecan cottage pie. Tamari soy sauce, peas, and corn. And this, dry mushroom seasoning. If yum was a powder. Potato powder to thicken. Bonus, gluten-free. Leave the flour in the cabinet. Christmas is always so hectic at my parents' house. Mom's putting on the final touches for the feast to come. Everyone is in the kitchen, trying to take a bite. If that was me, I would lose my mind. But my mom, she's happy and happy to be there. Savory, hearty, earthy. Pumpkin cottage pie has stepped up to the plate and knocked it out of the park. So satisfying.